show you how to paint this beautiful little owl. This owl was voted on by my subscribers, and they asked me to do this owl next, and they voted on it and got the most votes. So I'm going to show you how to do the techniques and how I got these beautiful feathers and beautiful eyes, and I'm going to show you how to do that. Let's get started painting. So all you need for this painting is your primary colors of red, yellow, and blue, and cad yellow and cad red, and some black and white. And that's all you need for this painting. And also, the brushes that you need are your bristle brush, 1 inch, and maybe another smaller one, and some small round brushes, and a flat synthetic brush, and maybe a little filbert brush. And so these are the brushes. They can be like these, or you know, whatever you have there, small brushes and something to tap on your grass. And so that's it for now. So let's get started painting. Now the grassy area, you can do whatever you want with it. I'm just going to make a bit of green. You can get some sap green, or you can make your own green with some blue and yellow. And I'm just using a bristle brush, flat bristle brush. And I'm just going to tap into my yellow and my blue to make green. I'm just going to tap over the grass again that I already have there. Just small tapping motions. Just to bring it out a bit more. Just tap away. I don't think you can see that very good. And what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to try a fan brush. I want to try different brushes so you can see what kind of effects you can get. Just tapping into some green and getting some green. I just tap on some grass. I don't think you can see that. Just tap. Tap on some green. A little bit of yellow. Just tap away. Let's see what else we can do with that. Let's try some different brushes, just as long as you tap on your tap on a bit of yellow and a bit of green. And just to give it a bit of texture. Leave some of the underpainting come through. Alright, so let's get some more of that on there. I'm just tapping on a little bit over what we already did. And just highlighting a little bit. Well, the sun is over here, so back there should be a little darker. This is where the sun is coming on the chest, so I would say it's a bit brighter over here. Put some yellows over this way. See? It's kind of like get a grassy effect. Good. So we'll darken up the outer area and the back a little bit. I'm trying to figure out where the light is, and don't want to have it so that we have to have shadows. Tap, 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 and tap away until you get some grass. Good. We'll do more with it now. Let's take a little liner brush and let's put some grass coming up on the legs. Some grassy area. Good. Good. Hopefully you can see that. I'll add a little bit of yellow there just to see if you can see it better. Good. See those up there? They look like they could be flowers or something up there. Alright, let's go back to our fan brush. Tap on some more. Just tap, 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 tap. Good. Just trying to get a little bit of a grassy look down here just by tapping my fan brush on my grass. Good. A bit of a different way to put on your grass. I try to do a few different techniques to see if I can see what works best. Alright. Good. A bit of grass there. Now, let's see what else we can do with that. Let's put a few little flowers there. Just take your 1-inch bristle brush, the one that I have here, and see the top where they're all opened up. Well, now you dip that into some red or yellow or whatever colors you want, and you can make a few little simple flowers just by touch, touch, touch. There's a couple little flowers down here, maybe over here. Just by touching you'll get some cute little flowers. Maybe some taller ones coming right up. And some yellows. Like I say, whatever colors you want. Just some little flowers or something, whatever you want there. Maybe there's some in the grass. Just touch very gentle. Maybe some up here. Okay. I'm going to take a little brown brush and I'm going to put a bit of brown paint on it. I'll make a few little sticks or twigs or something coming up here. I'll make sure you can see that. Another one here maybe. Just some little things going on there, whatever you want to put down there. Maybe there's one over here. Who knows? Who knows? There we go. Underneath here I'm going to add a little bit of a shadowy color there. I'm going to get my orangey color together, red and yellow, and my little bit of brown, and I'm going to put a small shadow, and let's see, just need a little bit of shadow underneath here, just a small bit. Just over what you did, just to bring that in with the other. See? Just a little bit. Don't think I'm going to add much there. That looks okay. That's better. See, just a few little touches here and there just to give it some little extras. Should do it. Actually, I think I'm going to finish it there, and if you want to put something over here you can, but I think I'm going to leave it because the main focus was the owl, and isn't that cute? So I think that'll do it. I don't think we need to do much more with that. So that's the owl that you voted on. See, and there's some little bits of grass. There we go. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I hope you like the owl. I thought it came out pretty nice, and if you have any questions you can leave some comments in the comment section, and you can give me a like, and then we'll be on to our next painting that you voted on, which I think is the flower pot with the flowers. So this is it, signing out from Allison Pryor. Happy painting, everybody.